Good morning.
Morning.
We're not on film. How you
Morning.
doing then, geese?
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Thank you.
Good morning. That was quite a lot of good mornings. And a good morning it is too. Did someone mention geese? Late spring and early summer, and here by the canal, on the edge of the reserve, under the watchful eyes of their guardians, a creche of 40+ goslings chirrup and troop along. These are what they'll grow into, Canada geese. They're here with their young every year, and very protective.
Oh, beautiful.
The towpath is a busy highway, a good place to socialise with us humans, and like all species, when there's a free meal, outsiders aren't always welcome. Canada geese are well able to fend for themselves, and many a proud dog has had to cower away in shame. Most people put them on the lead.
Alright.
Nature's blossoming everywhere, with the soft pinks of this wild apple tree, beautiful against the blue sky. Cow parsley, you see it lining the pathways, quite tall, a bit gangly. The breeze is full of scent, not least from the hawthorn bushes, or maybush, heavily burdened with blossom, like a covering of snow. Nearby, another delightful sight, being captured by the sun. It's a preening session. It'll be some time before they'll be taking off like these. The power needed to lift these birds. Just amazing. No shortage of people to see these sights. Colour everywhere. Lots of yellow with meadow buttercups. Sort of sumptuous. Rich scented broom. It's a member of the lupin family. More butterflies are beginning to appear. This is a brimstone. It's sulphur yellow. The stream, with its swarms of midges, carries the fluffy seeds swept by the wind from the dying willow catkins nearby, and the cycle of life continues, above and below, with damselflies mating in a heart shape. As they do, they're predators, despite their beauty. And below them this year's tadpoles swim through a dangerous underwater world. Meanwhile, the army of downy goslings trundle on.